Hi, I am going to show you how to fill series in Excel. Click on the first cell and type number 1. After that, drag from the bottom right corner of the cell down to the last cell. Then, select Fill Series from the Auto-Fill options. Alternatively, type 1 in the first cell and 2 in the second cell. Select both cells, then drag the bottom right corner down to the last cell. In the third method, enter the number 1 in the first cell. Then, while holding down the Control key, drag the bottom right corner of the cell downward. In the final method, type an equal sign in the first cell. Then, enter this formula and press the Enter key.